How many seconds are in 1 hour?
120.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
How many seconds are in 1 hour?
59 seconds.
No, 1 hour.
1 hour.
So you force it again.
1 hour. 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour.
60.
Boys and girls, this is shengulamawawa and welcome back to another video, baby.
First question for to okay, Sean,
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you
We don't care.
Jerry.
Okay, so already but for him
Yeah, I'm 100% sure.
So first question is going to who is the first black president of South Africa?
Let's see what Mandela. Yeah.
No, Samba kahle shoot.
Voilà.
Samba kahle.
Mandela.
Okay, correct. Second question. How many lives does a cat have?
7.
You sure?
Yeah.
100% sure?
Sure.
Okay. I was terrible. Okay.
1 life. Cat. 7 life. Yeah.
Okay. How many oceans do we have?
What?
Question number 2. How many oceans do we have?
Oceans. Yes.
Oh my God!
Yeah, how many oceans do we have in total? What number do we consider a magic number?
7.
How many seconds are in 1 hour?
59 seconds.
No, 1 hour.
1 hour.
So you force it again.
1 hour. 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour.
60.
Well, we have this good day. Shall 5th over 5th to go to my
1 hour.
Oh, seconds.
Yeah, seconds. 1 hour. 1 hour is okay.
Wait, how many seconds are in 1 hour?
120. 1 hour.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Seconds in 1 hour.
Sure.
60. Pass.
Should you force it again? Your mother has four kids. One is called North, South, East. The last one is called what?
West.
Wrong. The last one is you. So we are in a race, ne? You are in a race, and you pass the second person. What place are you in now?
We are in the race. I passed the second person. I'm at second place.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Samba kahle. Kuma ngicela uspele top. TOP. Okay, say top 3 times. TOP. The range of top.
Top.
Okay. What do you do on a green light?
Nyangul. Shit. Green light.
No, we pass it. Anytime we just stop, I pass it.
I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. Don't understand. I don't understand, bitch.
How many lives do a cat have?
1 life. Cat.
I can't.